What you guys, got another video here for you. Stuck on unable to complete Windows 11 installation, you need to do this that I'm showing you right here. This is a bug that I've found in Windows 11. It's the latest bug to do with installing Windows. Now, I've never seen this bug before, but it is quite frustrating. If you've not used, say for instance, Rufus to create a bootable USB flash drive, then this can be a big problem for a lot of people that are trying to install Windows 11 and are not being able to complete the Windows 11 installation. What happens is when you get to this location right here and it asks you to set up your account and you set up a personal account for personal use, it's then that I noticed the problem occurs. Now, when you get to this window right here, it's going to ask you for your login details. Now, you might be thinking, I'm just going to go ahead and log in, but you can't. It goes, oops, you've lost internet connection. So when I try, you'll see that it tells me my network connection is connected and there's no problem there, but it's not allowing me to continue with the installation. Now, I kept spamming this button right here. And of course, it kept telling me, oops, your internet connection is lost. And yet I do have a connected internet connection right here. You can see network connected. So I don't need to install any drivers. So if you are suffering from this when you're trying to install Windows 11 and it's giving you the oops, your internet connection is lost and you can't continue, you can install a driver right here by clicking on this. But I don't need to install the driver because we do have a connected internet connection. So this will stop you from continuing with the installation. But as you can see right here, after a number of spammed attempts, it allowed me to go through. So this is a bypass method that you could use. If you keep spamming it, eventually it's going to allow you to create a local account. So maybe Microsoft have some sort of policy in place where after a certain amount of attempts, it will kick you into a local account. I'm not 100% sure, but it did right here, as you can see on the screen, kick me into a local account and bypass the Microsoft account, which is what they're trying to force you to sign into. So for some reason, it allowed me to continue with the installation. Now, if that is the case, all you need to do then is just continue to spam the retry button to be able to continue with the installation, and eventually it will yield a local account setup. I'm not sure if that is the case, if Microsoft have that in place, but I will show you a workaround anyway if you've been spamming that button and it's not allowing you to continue with your Windows 11 installation setup. Now, if you've had no luck with continuing the setup process with the way I showed you here by spamming the retry button and it's not allowing you to continue with the installation of Windows 11, then I'll show you another method that you can use at that screen if you're still stuck and you can't continue with the Windows 11 installation setup process. So basically you can see here, it's allowed us to create a local account on this computer just by spamming the retry button. Now this must be some sort of bug because we did have an internet connection and we was connected and yet the installation was stopped. So let's go back to this window right here. What you need to do if you're stuck still is press Shift F10 at this option right here. And this will open up a command prompt box. And you can type in this command here, start space ms-cxh : local only, all one word, and push enter. And this will open up this box right here. You can then go ahead and type in your username that you want to use and your password. And what this is going to do is allow us to set up a local account. Now, this is a simple method to be able to set up a local account on Windows 11. Unfortunately, Microsoft are trying to enforce you to sign into a Microsoft account. But if their system is not working and it's stopping you from installing Windows when you are connected to the internet and you can't continue the installation process of Windows 11, then you can use either of these methods right here. And hopefully you should be able to basically get Windows 11 installed on that computer. And now all you need to do here is just go through and choose all of the options. I generally say no to all of this stuff, and I normally do required only down the bottom, and I will just continue and say no to all this stuff because this is all to do with their telemetry. the advertisements and stuff like that. And hopefully, if you followed this video, if you have been stuck or unable to install Windows 11, then you can use one of these methods and hopefully you should be able to get back to the desktop. And you can see here, both of these methods have given us a local account. Now, this must be obviously a Microsoft bug during the Windows installation process. And if that is affecting you, then let me know whether either of these methods work for you. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Just want to say a quick shout out to all my YouTube members who have joined my YouTube members group. I really do appreciate the support, and I shall catch you in the next video, or I'll catch you on the new Discord server. The link's in the video description. Bye for now.